What's up, guys? Rock Solid here. I was just doing a little test with my four-way system here that I'm trying to get running. I've got some super tweeters, high mid. I'm just using these as a low mid. And then I've got some subs, two different kinds of subs. A Serwin Vega scoop and some front-loaded Yamahas. To get those in phase, I need to delay the Yamahas about 4.5 milliseconds. So I've been struggling with the x32, trying to figure out how to make that work with the matrix, because there's only 6 outs, and I need 8. 2 for the super tweeter, left and right, 2 for the high mid, left and right, 2 for the low mid, left and right, and 2 for the subs. And x32 only has 6 matrices. So let me show you how I solved this. I'm just gonna load my little 4-way test 2. Now, I originally had the idea to do it on buses. I made the first 8 buses post fader. And then I did all my equalizing. I just did all the system processing on each bus individually. And it worked, but it sucked because I had no left right, I had no sub, mono. It was all just pretty much coming out of here, which I was gonna, that'd work for a DJ, but I want to be able to do bands through this. So let me show you the way I figured out how to do this. My idea was to use the direct outs. So here I've got left right going to matrix 1 and 2, and then mono going to matrix 3 and 4. The matrix 3 and 4 just go out to the sub amps. So I mean, in this situation I'm just using 1 amp. Channel 1 is sub 1, channel 2 is sub 2. That way I'm able to delay on the routing. Output, you come over here to output 7 and there's a delay. And if you need any more delay to get things phased, you can do it on any of them. But anyway, let's see. So what I decided I would do is take the output from matrix 1, 2, which is coming out 1, 2 on my second S16. Let me start that over. On my first S16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 through 8 are all the outputs for the amps. So high left right, high mid left right, low mid left right, sub 1, sub 2. What I did, here's the trick. I took out 1 and 2 from the next one and just plugged it into the input of over here. So channel 31, 32 are basically left and right matrix. Then I go down to channel, you can put these wherever you want, but I put them at the end. I just set the input of each of these channels to 31, 32 on all 6 of them. Then I've got my equalizer, so high mid, low mid. Then if you go to sub matrix, you can see how I equalized the subs. Just rolling off the highs around 140. I'm just trying 140. And the sub I'm doing 100. I might even go as low as like 80 for this. Maybe even bring this down to 120 if it's too punchy, but I mean, I do bass music, so 100 hertz can be a little bit annoying sometimes, but if you're doing a band with a kick drum and a bass guitar, 100 hertz is probably your favorite frequency. So anyway, boom. Then in the routing, I go to output 1 and I set it to direct out channel 27. Output 2 is 28, and so on. 6, and then 7 is matrix, 8 is matrix. 9 you need to set to matrix 1. Where is it? 9 is matrix 1, 10 is matrix 2, because that's, again, that's sending into this, which we then send direct outs. Okay? What do you think? Just a little proof here that it works. I'm just bringing some music in on channel 1, 2. Sounds pretty nasty. Okay, the music just...
On Monday at 9/8 Central, Bates Motel reopens on A&E.
So many people with opinions and judgments.
Pandora. Doesn't it always do that at the worst times? In case you're wondering, 2 S16s. I've got a couple QSC 5050s. I'm using this on the super tweeters just because I can high pass it to be safe. I got a face audio 1200 on the low mids, but I've got a lot more shit, you know, so this would be for a bigger show. Right now I'm just doing a test. See what you think. So dope. I can cut subs. I can cut everything, all the highs right here. I can that sub is right there. There, as they should be. These outputs are pre-faders, so I don't think the mute even does anything. And I turned it off on the main left right, because if you turn this up, it'll feed back. It's really nasty. I think that's it. Just let me know if you have any questions. Peace out. Rock solid.